All right, guys, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite trading strategies. And this is how I personally trade. And this is how I'm able to consistently make, 50 to 100% gains per day trading Bitcoin, altcoins, you name it. This works across any asset on any time frame. And this is a very, very powerful strategy and something that beginners can pick up on pretty quickly when you have the right resources. So first things first, the indicator that we're going to be using is Easy Algo. So if you don't have Easy Algo already, be sure to click the first link in the description below, and that will give you access to the buy and sell signals as well as the automatic support and resistance levels. Now, there are a couple of ways to use the support and resistance levels, but in today's video, we're going to be using them as a solid line. So you can come over here into settings and just make sure that the SR is set to solid. The width doesn't really matter, but turn the zones off, okay? It's actually very important that the zones are going to be off because part of the strategy is catching swing failure patterns. And when you're catching swing failure patterns, you want to make sure that you have a solid line. So now that that's out of the way, let's get into the strategy. And the first thing you're gonna do is go to the 1 hour time frame. All right, this is where for the most part you want to be marking your key levels and zones. Now, as you can see, Easy Algo does a great job of giving you these horizontal levels to trade off of, but we still want a little bit more confluence. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your golden pocket tool over here on the left. And draw out some golden pockets on the 1 hour time frame. So what you're gonna do to draw a golden pocket is find your previous swing low. If you don't know where that is, look for the low level here on Easy Algo and draw it to the previous swing high, which is right here. This is our most recent high. And if we go into Easy Algo, we can actually mark our swing points with show swing points checked. These are some of these swing points that we're gonna be drawing fibs from. But you don't need this. You can kind of just eyeball it and tell where the previous low and highs are. So we're going to turn those off, but we can see we have this golden pocket right here at this Easy Algo support level from this previous swing low to swing high. All right, so now we have two pieces of confluence that when price comes to this level, if price comes to this level before making a new high, we're going to be looking for a long position from that level right there. And there's a couple of ways that we can enter this long position. The first thing we can do is actually catch a swing failure of this Easy Algo support level. So wait for price to break below the support level and enter a market order on retrace right there. So that would be our entry, and our stop loss would be something like this, right? Our stop loss would be something like this, and we'd be targeting this next Easy Algo resistance level for a nice 7 risk to reward ratio. That would be our trade thesis. Now, I'll actually show an ETH setup that I posted in the Pro Discord, and you can see that these are the types of moves that I call pretty frequently inside of the Discord. And it's not super hard, right? You're waiting for price to come to that Easy Algo level and you're catching a swing failure of that level. Now, if you have added confluence like a golden pocket, then that's definitely something to be aware of. We don't know that price is going to come down to this level. So we're also going to look for short positions, right? It's impossible to know exactly where the market's going to go. I obviously have my own thoughts on where we are on a macroeconomic standpoint. But when it comes to trading on the 1 hour, no one knows where price is going to go. It could go up, it could go down. Obviously, we can use technical analysis to help us out a bit. But really no one knows. So we're also going to be looking for short positions in case price pumps up from here. So now we're going to be looking for some levels to short. Now we see we have this Easy Algo resistance here at 16,551. And we're going to draw a golden pocket once more to see if that overlaps that resistance level. And it does. So we also have a golden pocket here right at this Easy Algo resistance level. And we can actually go to a lower time frame, such as the 15-minute time frame, to try to catch this short position and maybe even swing fail this level right here because we have this awkward bearish candle wick and there are sellers in this area that did not get filled yet. So what I'll be waiting for is for price to come up to this level, swing fail, hit that golden pocket, and enter a short position targeting this support level down here, right? Targeting this support level down here, or maybe these candle lows, something like that. So that would be our trade thesis. And you'll notice when you're using this strategy, the risk to reward is very, very large. You usually have above a 4 risk to reward. Obviously, you're moving your stop loss and taking profits on the way down, but still the risk to reward is great. And the win rate using this is very high because you're waiting for multiple pieces of confluence when you're trading. And now another area you'll see to take a swing failure short is at this high candle wick, right? The previous swing high. If we manage to break past this level, I've been looking for a swing failure here and here at this resistance level on Easy Algo. Now, a swing failure is a failure of a key point or level. This is a key point for me right here at this candlestick wick because that is the recent swing high and there are sellers in this area. Also, we have this resistance level up here with these two previous candle wicks over here if you look left. So I would be expecting a swing failure from this level as well. And Easy Algo just does a great job of finding these levels for you. And that's how I find my setups, guys. It's really that simple. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content. Make sure to get Easy Algo, the #1 trading algo. First link in the description below. If you're just starting out, this is all you need, all right? Don't overcomplicate it, and I'll see you guys next video.